Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make appams or hoppers. This is a very delicious Sri Lankan breakfast recipe that you can enjoy with coconut milk or egg gravy or with any non-veg kurma. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I soaked 2 cups of raw ponni rice for 4 to 5 hours. This is nice and soft now, so keep it ready. To a mixing bowl, I've taken half cup of lukewarm water. To this, add half teaspoon of dry yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. This is to activate the yeast. Mix it well and let this rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, the yeast is well activated. So let's move on to grinding the ingredients. To a mixie jar, add 1 cup of shredded coconut, a cup of cooked rice. You can go with any variety of rice. Then add the yeast mixture and grind it to a paste. Now to this, add a teaspoon of salt, the soaked ponni rice, and 3/4 cup of water. Grind it to a fine paste. Now our appam batter is ready, so transfer it to a big pot. Go with a considerably big pot because the batter will multiply in size. Close it with a lid and allow it to rest in a warm place for 5 hours to ferment. It's been 5 hours now, so let's open and check. The batter is nicely fermented. Give it a nice mix and we are all ready to start making the appams. Heat an appam pan. You can see the appam shape in the pan. Keep the flame in medium-high throughout the process. Pour a ladle of appam batter and spread it throughout the pan this way. Close with the lid and cook for 30 seconds. Open and cook for another few seconds until the corners turn a little golden brown. Once your appam is ready, remove it and enjoy it right away with a bowl of coconut milk or any gravy of your choice. Very delicious, soft and yummy recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.